Denim insulation is a good option for performance and sound attenuation when installed correctly. Here's how. For bays, bats should be installed flat, even, and tight to studs, without gaps, bulging, or cupping, and the backside in full contact with the sheathing. On this project we're using Henry UltraTouch, a recycled denim insulation that comes with easy tear perforations. For pipes, split the insulation centered on the pipe and tuck each piece to surround and capture it without voids, filling the bay in a continuous fashion. For electrical boxes, cut out the exact size of the box. Industrial shears do the job well. Then use cutoffs at about half thickness to fill behind boxes, and use the bat to fully capture them. For wires, measure and cut the slit about halfway through the depth of the bat and surround the wire during installation. Recycled denim insulation is soft to the touch and does not require the PPE commonly associated with insulating products.